Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare pizza pani puri or pizza puchka. This is filling with potato, baby corn and capsicum. It's a very simple filling that you can put together. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Now let's look into all the ingredients and the process and get started. I'll be using store-bought pani puris for this. This is very simple and very easily available. You can prepare this recipe under 5 minutes if you have all the ingredients ready. And apart from pani puri shells, I'll also be using grated cheddar cheese. I have half a cup of tomato ketchup. I normally use tomato ketchup nowadays to prepare my pizza sauce. So it's very simple. You can prepare it under 5 minutes and you can store it in the refrigerator. I'll also be using butter to saute all my vegetables. Some Italian seasoning or pizza seasoning, and we'll also be requiring chili flakes and 2 pearls of garlic which is finely chopped. And apart from that, for the stuffing I'll be using corn, frozen corn, boiled and mashed potato and capsicum which is chopped into tiny pieces. You can put together these pizza puchkas under 5 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare the pizza sauce. So I've heated a pan on medium flame. To that I've added the tomato ketchup and the pizza seasoning. This is about a tablespoon and a half of pizza seasoning. I've just added about a tablespoon of water. Just to dilute the tomato ketchup, I've added 1 tablespoon of water and I've got it to a rapid boil, and that's about it. Once you get it to one rapid boil, switch off the flame, allow it to cool. Your pizza sauce is ready. You can prepare this in bulk and store this in the refrigerator. Whenever you're preparing bread pizzas or you want to prepare this, use any pizza sauce, you can use this sauce. It's very nice and tasty. Now I'm just going to heat up the vegetables, that's all, because I've chopped up the capsicum into tiny pieces and the potato is cooked anyways. And we have to cook the corn, that's about it. So I've heated a wok on medium flame. To that I've added 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm frying the chopped garlic first, just to infuse the butter with garlic flavor. And I've transferred the boiled potato, frozen corn and chopped capsicum. I'm going to fry all the 3 ingredients. If you have not added salt in your boiled potato, please do add salt at this point. I'm just going to heat all these ingredients. I'm not going to cook it all the way through. I've added just a pinch of this chili flakes, and I've also added the pizza seasoning, just a small amount, about 1/4 teaspoon. I've added salt and pepper. I'm just going to heat this vegetables. Fry it for a minute or 2, that's about it, not more than that. Now my veggies are done. The stuffing is done. I'm going to start assembling the pizza pani puri. So I'm using a microwave safe plate, and to that I'm going to start assembling these pizza pani puris, and I'll start stuffing it with the filling, then the sauce, and I'll top it with the grated cheese. I'll be cooking these or melting the cheese. I'll just be melting this cheese in convection microwave for 5 minutes. That's about it, not more than that. Under 2 minutes, because some people, they have this convection microwave where it heats faster and your things might get burnt. So you have to have an eye. Keep it at 2-minute mark, and if your cheese is melted, the pizza puris are ready. If it is not heated or if your cheese is not melted, then you keep it at 5 minutes. But I placed it at 5 minutes. I kept it in 2-minute interval and I placed it at 5 minutes so that all the cheese is melted. And don't fill your puris too much with the filling. Just add the amount of filling that it requires. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below this video. Also subscribe to me on my YouTube Tamil channel. YouTube Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Now I've topped the filled puris with grated cheddar cheese. I'm going to garnish it with the chili flakes and a little bit of the pizza seasoning. I'm going to microwave it at a 2-minute interval. So I've got a convection microwave. I'm going to microwave this for the first 2 minutes. See if my cheese is melted. If it's not melted, I'll keep it back for another 2 minutes and melt it further. So I cooked this for 5 minutes and it was done. So I've placed it on a very low setting and I'm doing it. Once it's done, you can serve it right away. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. You can also add olives to this and you can garnish it with fresh basil if you have it, and you can serve it. It will be really nice. It's a wonderful party snack. Do give this recipe a try, friends. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.